Ooh, dirty grumble. God damn it. So then begs the question, what do I think of Alinity? Well, technically she's a thief. She's been stealing money right from hard-working creators. Holy fuck, can we go here, light? So what is Alinity? Well, in short, Alinity is a thief. What she's doing is nothing short of stealing. She's doing no work and taking the profit of others. And quite frankly, it's disgusting, and it should be treated just like stealing is. If you were to go into a store and steal a bag of chips or something, it should be treated just like that would. Except this is worse. This is not a piddly little 30-cent amount that you upsell at $2 and generate a profit. This is $700 at least for 1 month of pure profit. The worst part is she flexes her muscles there. She knows what she's doing is stealing, and sits there and boldly goes to everyone in front of the camera. Oh yeah, I'm gonna copy strike this guy, and there's nothing you guys can do about it. Holy fuck, can we go here? Can we at least drive the speed limit, please? This is a joke, right? Are you fucking kidding me? Do I ask for much to drive the speed limit? Is that a lot? Attaboy, Yukon, right behind that white line. Get yourself a bigger car. What is wrong with this guy? Fucking driving on the other side of the road under the speed limit? God, this thing is flickable. If you guys are at all looking at getting a CBR 500R, first of all, plenty of power. It'll do everything you need it to do. Everything. Second of all, such a nice bike. Call me Rice Krispies, because this thing fucking snap, crackles, and pops. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my god, it's green! To make a long story short, no, she's not going to get deported, and as long as she pays taxes, she will never be deported. If you're not from Canada, you don't know how spineless the government is. I don't know, call me old-fashioned, but I think people should work for the money. I mean, really, it's just pathetic. And honestly, I think, especially with her, she should be banned from the YouTube platform at least. And I don't know about Twitch. From everything that I've heard, which may or may not be true, because it's, again, the internet, everything I've heard, Twitch just gives her concession after concession after concession. I don't know if that's right, but that's what I hear. So I highly doubt it's going to make a difference for Twitch. Oh yeah. Suckers, keep right except to pass, pussies! Oh, those backfires. Is fast. Don't get me wrong, this thing is not a sport bike. It's not a 600 or a liter bike, but holy shit, this thing will get you where it needs to go. I'm telling you, this is just absolutely the best beginner bike you can get, in my opinion, hands down. That's not to say the other beginner bikes aren't good, but just bang for your buck, reliability, the amount of fun you can have on this thing. Oh my god. Is it ever fun? Yeah! Alright guys, that's where I'm going to leave it. If you think Alinity is a piece of crap, smash that like button. Alright guys, see ya. Peace!